The courtroom of the Presidential Election Petition Court is bubbly with pleasantries from lawyers ahead of the day's proceedings. As usual, the room is quite filled. However, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, who is a regular visitor, is conspicuously absent. The five-man panel of justices arrive. 3 cases are up for hearing. First is the Allied People's Movement. The Allied People's Movement, APM, seeking to nullify President Bola Tinubu's election, closed its case after calling its sole witness. The witness, Aisha Abubakar, who identified herself as the Assistant Welfare Director of the party, tendered 7 batches of documentary evidence before the court to establish their case. They are seeking to nullify the election of President Tinubu based on allegations of double nomination by Vice President Kashim Shettima. APC's lead counsel, Lateef Fagbemi, tendered a copy of the Supreme Court judgment, which the respondent said had earlier settled the issue the APM raised in the petition. The court admitted it as evidence despite objections from the APM. The court subsequently adjourned the matter till July 14 for all the parties to adopt their final briefs of argument, and the APM closed its case. Next is the case of the People's Democratic Party. It could not go on, however, due to time constraints, and was adjourned to Thursday for hearing. Shortly after was the last case for the day, which was the Labour Party. The party called 3 witnesses, making it a total of 10 witnesses called so far. The party tendered documents containing the total number of registered voters and permanent voter cards collected across 32 states, documents duly certified by INEC through the witnesses. The expert witness was, however, stood down till Thursday for cross-examination. Meanwhile, INEC has objected to the tendering in evidence by the Labour Party of the total number of registered voters and permanent voter cards, PVCs, collected in 32 states in the lead-up to the presidential polls. This is one of the key highlights of the continuation of hearing of Peter Obi's petition at the Presidential Election Petition Court, where he is seeking to upturn the electoral victory of Bola Tinubu in the presidential polls. Hearing of the Labour Party petition will run full circle by Friday, June 23, and as such, it's now a race against time for Peter Obi. To make its case more convincing before the Haruna Samani-led 5-member panel, the Labour Party is now tendering vital documents certified by INEC, such as those containing records of registered voters and the total number of PVCs collected. Also tendered is the supplementary INEC results viewing portal IREV report for 3 local government areas of Benue State, 2 local government areas of Cross River State, 12 local government areas of Lagos State, and 1 local government area of Gombe State.